YouTube's right. Today I'm going to show you how you can automate a niche using just a few AI tools. Step 1. Finding a niche. Normally we look at 3 factors while selecting a niche: interest, experience and profit, and then we create a channel for whichever niche fits in the intersection of these 3 circles. But now, because AI is going to do all our work, we can skip both these circles of interest and experience and select a niche which has a lot of profit. So I will go to ChatGPT and I will say that it gave me a list of most profitable high RPM faceless niches, and as you can see it recommended me a lot of niches like finance, tech, business, crypto, real estate, and the RPM of all these is also mentioned, which is very high. I like these. The first idea seems best among all, which is personal finance and investing, so I am going with this niche. Step 2. Branding. I want to, before we create a new YouTube 0 channel description, so once again we will go to ChatGPT and tell it that YouTube 0 will give us a personalized description from which you can choose your favorite. I like the name Fence Fair here, but before using it, we have to check once whether it is right to use this name or not. For this I will select YouTube's Fair and then type channel in search filters. You can see currently only 2 channels. Step 3. Script writing. Important. This is the most important part of the entire video creation process, and this is where creators make the biggest mistake. If we talk about getting a script written by GPT, then 99% of people will give it a basic promotion like write a YouTube's for my video on 5 mistakes to avoid in your 20-now-old DOS. There is nothing wrong in promotion, but if you give such simple instructions to AI, then your AI generator script will never be able to compete with a script written by a professional YouTuber. Plus, anyone reading your script will easily tell that it is written by AI because it will sound very robotic. So to solve this problem, we will use a set of special instructions that will take your script to the next level. You can easily integrate these instructions in your promotion. You can do. 6th instruction is emotional triggers. If your video triggers any emotion of the viewer, then the chances of that viewer watching the video till the end increase. So I will tell 4 GPTs to use emotional triggers like fear, excitement and urgency. Then the 7th instruction is retention tactics. To maintain audience retention, I will first tell 4 GPTs, include a strong intro hook, then you can also use pattern interrupts in between so that the attention of the viewers. Step 4. Voiceover. Now there are a lot of tools available to generate voiceovers, both free and paid. But the best tool among them is 11 Labs. For example, for comparison, you can listen to a voice-over generated by the free text-to-speech tool versus one generated by 11 Labs. Imagine this: you're 35-year-old staring at your bank statements and it hits you. Imagine this: you're 35-year-old staring at your bank statements and it hits you. You can clearly notice the difference between the two. The voice in 11 Labs is ultra-realistic, whereas the voice in the free tool. Step 5. Video editing. Import your AI-generated voiceover in any video editor and cut and delete all the empty spaces in the audio. Just make sure not to remove the natural pauses in the voiceover. After this, you will come to the ChatGPT and tell it that we are making a faceless video and we need a visual for every line or paragraph of its script. So now I will paste the lines one by one from my script, and you have to give me a prompt so that I can generate visuals for that line using AI. And you can see that the ChatGPT will be ready to give us image prompts. So simply copy the first line or first paragraph of your script and paste it in the. Finally, I will import a free music track into the video, which will appear after the video is exported. Here we will generate instant subtitles for our video, so we will click on Create New Project and then import the video we just created. Then look on the left side, there is an option of subtitles. Click on it and then click on Auto Subtitles in English, and you can see it has started generating subtitles. Okay, now see here there is an option of Edit. From here, if there are some errors in the subtitles, then you can easily fix it. If you want to delete any sentence, then there is an option for that also. Then look from here, you can also select the style of your subtitles, and from here, thumbnails. I personally like this one the best, so I will use it, and I have also added extra text myself in it. I think it looks pretty good. So if you have come this far, then comment. Making AI videos is fun and like the video. Also, if you see a faceless YouTube one after watching this video, you love it, and I will meet you there. Bye. Thanks for watching.